Hey, how's it going? This is Justin Gilman with Quantum Leads, and today I'll be walking you through your digital marketing attack plan to show you how to turn your website into a lead generation machine and really generate some more revenue for your business month over month. Now, to do that, we first have to understand how are people finding painting businesses in my area. And if you're like me and many others, chances are you go up here to the Google search bar, type in whatever service or industry you're looking for along with your city name, and ultimately, after submitting your search, you pick from the first few results down below in the organic search results or the results in the Google Map Pack. And now this seems to be a pretty popular method, as you'll notice there are about 90 searches every single month for painters in Fayetteville, Arkansas. And you'll notice that, this is a much bigger search term, or I should say a lot more volume, when you start to take into account other searches like painters near me, painting companies, and a variety of other searches. But regardless of the search, the goal remains the same. The goal of this video is to help put your business at the forefront of every single one of those searches to guarantee that your business is seen first before your competition. But now, in order to do that, there's the first things that we're going to have to understand first. So first off, we're going to talk about content because we need to build out our content as content is king on Google. So let's take a look at one of your competitors and see what they're doing as far as content goes and see how they're ranking. So here we are at CertaPro, and they rank on the first page organically for Fayetteville, Arkansas painters. And let's take a look at why. If we scroll down their site, you're going to notice that they have a ton of different content on this page. And that is no mistake because websites tend to receive more favorable results when they have a lot more content. But this isn't just any content. This is content that's filled with keywords and phrases that ultimately are very industry specific. So to give you an idea of what keywords are the most used words or phrases on a web page. And based on these keywords, we are going to tell Google vital information about our business. And now that information can be things such as, where we operate from, maybe what we do, or even just our company's name. But ultimately, that's going to help them put us in more verified, or I should say relevant search results that are really going to help us rank for search terms related to our business, such as painting in Fayetteville, Arkansas. So we really want to make sure that our website is very contentful, as well as filled with keywords and phrases. So let's see if your website follows those patterns. So here we are on your website, and currently you don't have any content on here, and we're going to want to change that. Normally, I like to recommend about 750 to 1,000 words of content on any given page. That way we have a very contentful site, but you're ultimately going to want to build out more than your competitor. So like I said, I recommend going above and beyond whatever your competitor has, with 750 to 1,000 being that bare minimum. And we're also going to want industry-specific keywords and phrases in there. That way we make sure that we appear for relevant search terms to our business. Like I said, just like painting Fayetteville, so we definitely have to do that. But if I told you that, content and keywords were the only things that you needed, I would ultimately be lying to you because our website's also going to need backlinks and citations, which are essentially going to help push our website along in the search result. To give you an idea, I would like to say that internal such as content and keywords is essentially going to lay the foundation, whereas external like backlinking is going to help us climb over our competitors. So with that being said, let's take a look at your competitors' backlink structure and see what they're working with so far. So here we are looking at CertaPro, and you'll notice that they have 456,000 backlinks built to their site, and it's really generating them some power and bringing in about 120,000 users per month and over $426,000 worth of traffic value. And this is a direct correlation of the things that they do internally, like content and keywords, as well as the backlinks that they've built out to their website. So like I said, it really makes you ask yourself, what could an extra 120,000 customers a month do for your business? And the answer is a lot. So let's take a look at your website and see what you're doing as far as backlinks go. So here we are taking a look at your website, and while you do have some power, it doesn't come from any backlinks. So we're going to want to build out those backlinks because right now you're not generating any traffic or any traffic value. And like I said, we definitely want to change that because our website is essentially a 24-hour salesman for us. And if it's not doing its job, then we're not essentially paying it or we're not getting any value out of it. And that needs to change if we really want to put our business on the map. So like I said, we always want to go bigger and better than our competition. So we're going to want over 500,000 backlinks to really go in and outrank them along with our content and keywords. But there is one more aspect of this that I mentioned, and that is citations. So let's go back to the Google Map Pack and talk about citations. So here we are on Google, and like I said, we're talking about citations here. And citations are very unique to the map pack because it's one of the ranking factors that they look for. And citations are essentially all the different places your business's name, address, and phone number are listed online. Some popular citations are things like Yelp, Yellow Pages, Facebook, Instagram. All those are different citations you can get for your business, and they all help with the Google Map Pack. So I actually did the job of going in here and taking a look at each one of these competitors, and I can tell you from top to bottom, the number one spot has 52 citations, the number 2 spot has 26, and the number 3 spot has 13. So if the number 1 spot has 53 citations, we're going to want to double that because, like I said, the theme of this video is always going bigger and better than our competition. So not only more content, not only more backlinks, but we also want more citations. So I recommend about 106 citations for your business, along with the other things we talked about. And if you do all that, you should start to see your website move in a very positive fashion and be able to generate some revenue for your business month over month. Now, if you have any questions on this video, feel free to reach out to me. Once again, my name is Justin Gilman with Quantum Leads. And I guess the question I'll leave you with is, what could an extra 120,000 customers every single month do for your business? Thank you for watching. I hope this was very educational.